If you've been following my YouTube channel, you know I'm a math teacher, and my name is Jermaine. Well, this is what my classroom looks like. I got my weekly agenda on the board, my classroom expectations, standards listed on the board, students will be able to statement, homework listed on the board, some inspiring quotes, inspiring messages, don't give up and such. I just put that one up there. You will not receive any points without showing your work. Our kids will try you. I put up LED lights this year. I seen another classroom with it, and I thought, that's so cool. I was off work yesterday, so I left a message for my students and my sub to know what they should be doing on Desmo's Amplify. Here, I got a motivation wall. Got this on Amazon. It's pretty cool. My algebra class, they're gonna be studying statistics soon. So I'm trying to get their mind on where the mean falls in relationship to the median in skewed data sets. Careers in math listed are posted all around the room. Important examples from algebra classes finishing are writing down big ideas for each unit. I got to fix that domain and range section. Where the solution falls, discrete points, comparing linear and exponentials. And apparently students sit right here. I usually slide these desks away from the wall so it don't rub off my little board there, but I'll fix it. Don't ask to leave the room while I'm teaching the lesson. Students will ask you in the middle of the lesson, can I go to the restroom? Like, no, I'm teaching. Wait till I'm finished and then go. Unless it's girls, I don't stop girls. They gotta go to the restroom, they just go. I got some students' names on the walls here, so I don't wanna hide those. I guess you're gonna see a picture of me, my twin brother, best friend, Dr. Bullen. My twin brother was finishing law school at the University of Maryland, who was up there in DC, Maryland area. And that's my best friend, Dr. Bullen. And that's me on the right with the bow tie. Back then, we called ourselves a council. We were the council. Yeah, so that's Dr. Bullen, lifelong best friend. He's the Optimer of the Year 2 years in a row, Mississippi. Guy's awesome. Twin brother, really successful lawyer. He's now the Assistant Attorney General for the state of Georgia. Doing great. More math careers. More motivation. Again, this is Amazon, the power of yet. I'm no good at this yet. I don't understand this yet. I can't do this yet. This doesn't work yet. And so forth. And just important vocabulary, keywords, posting problems. I got those problems off Matt's Math Lab. Pretty awesome website with math resources on it. And that's it. That's my classroom this school year. Hope you guys liked it. God bless.